Apple might finally be doing the thing iPhone fans have been begging for. Just not all at once. So here's what's going on. The iPhone 18 Pro lineup is shaping up to get a noticeably cleaner front design, and we now have a pretty solid idea of how much smaller that dynamic island could actually be. A new leak suggests Apple is shrinking the cutout in a way you'll absolutely notice the moment you unlock the phone. According to well-known leaker Ice Universe, the dynamic island on the iPhone 18 Pro and Pro Max could shrink from roughly 20.7mm wide to about 13.5mm. That's not a tiny tweak, that's around a 35% reduction in width. In real-world terms, it means more screen, less black pill, staring back at you during videos, games, and everyday use. The reason Apple can even attempt this comes down to Face ID. For a while now, rumors have been pointing toward Apple hiding Face ID components under the display. And that does seem to be happening, just not completely yet. Earlier reports suggested we'd get a single hole-punch camera, Android style, but the latest info paints a more cautious picture. Instead of moving everything under the screen, Apple is reportedly starting with just one part of the system, the flood illuminator. That alone frees up enough space to slim down the dynamic island, but not enough to kill it off entirely. So rather than disappearing, the pill shape sticks around, just smaller and less intrusive. What's interesting is that display analyst Ross Young says this smaller dynamic island design isn't a one-year experiment. According to him, Apple could stick with this setup all the way through 2027. Translation: a fully seamless iPhone display is still a few generations away. As for the source itself, Ice Universe has a decent history when it comes to Apple dimensions. Not perfect, but accurate often enough that this leak is definitely worth paying attention to. So this feels like classic Apple. Slow, deliberate changes, one component at a time. No big dramatic redesign, but a meaningful step toward that clean, uninterrupted screen we all want. Now I'm curious, does a smaller dynamic island actually excite you, or are you holding out for the day it disappears completely? Let me know what you think, and if you enjoyed this breakdown, you already know what to do. I'll catch you in the next one.